Today, we've got an exciting and eco-friendly project for you. Growing beetroot in old plastic sacks. It's a fantastic way to make use of those plastic bags and enjoy fresh, homegrown beetroots. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need some old plastic sacks. Make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom. We're going to use a mixture of 50% compost and 50% garden soil for our growing medium. This combination provides the nutrients your beetroots need to thrive. Now, let's sow the beetroot seeds. Make small holes about 1 inch deep in the soil and place the seeds in them. Base the seeds about 4 to 5 inches apart to ensure they have enough room to grow. Beetroots love water, so be sure to give them plenty of it. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Check out how your beetroot seedlings are doing. At this stage, they'll be crowded, so it's time to thin them out. Carefully remove some of the weaker seedlings, leaving about 4 to 5 inches of space between the remaining ones. Another 16 days later, around 37 days after planting, it's time for our second update. By now, your beetroot plants should be growing vigorously. Make sure to keep up with regular watering and monitor for any signs of pests or diseases. Finally, after about 90 days from planting, it's time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Your beetroots should be ready for harvesting. And there you have it, folks. Growing delicious beetroots in old plastic sacks is not only environmentally friendly, but also incredibly rewarding. You can enjoy these fresh, homegrown beetroots in salads, soups, or even as a healthy snack. Thanks for joining us on this gardening adventure. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and DIY projects. Happy gardening, and see you next time.